Hey, welcome back to the channel. To know how I achieved this perfect summer flawless look that's great for any Indian occasions and even for Indian guest makeup look, let's spill the tea of how I achieved this look. First, starting off with an aloe vera gel. This is a PR I got recently from an amazing brand. Use a generous amount all over your face wherever you have facial hairs and also underneath the brows, because I'm definitely gonna define my brows a little further. They have outgrown a little. Using the Bombay Shaving Company face razor, I'm gonna use the face razor holding parallel to my face and start shaving. If you are new at face shaving, then definitely have a guidance and then only use it. After my face is shaved, I'm gonna use the Baby Wipes. This is also the PR package I got. This is an amazing soft baby wipes that definitely is great for any babies and also for your skin. So I'm gonna clean up all this, and after that I'm gonna also shave my brows and give them a more defined look. After that I'm gonna use ice cubes. I have been using ice cubes directly on my face and has not damaged my skin. Over this I'm gonna use the Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna use the Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This gives you intense amount of hydration and is great, and definitely will do our hairs in a transition. Looks better. I'm using the Dot & Key 72 Hours Hydrating Gel, which is a non-greasy, non-sticky, lightweight formula. After done with moisturizing the face, I'm gonna use the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles cream. This is a great eye cream. Whenever applying the eye cream, use your ring finger as it gives a light pressure. After that, I'm gonna use the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. Apply the primer all over your face. After that, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer. This is in the shade Gold Digging. This has no chunky glitter particles and gives you a beautiful shine from within. This is a good strobing cream at a really affordable price. For my base today, I'm gonna use 2 foundation. The first is from Lakme and the second one is from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna mix these two and apply it using my fingers first, dabbing it all over my skin and then blend it using a beauty blender. I'm using a darker shade because I want to match my face and neck. My face is a little bit brighter than my actual neck color, so definitely toning down my skin and then using the Inside Cosmetics color corrector palette. I'm just dabbing the orange corrector all over the eyelid space and also underneath it to hide any dark circles I have. Always use a damp beauty blender to blend everything in place. Over this I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. This is definitely a lighter shade of concealer, will give me a highlighted effect and also will look great. Highlight all the face areas that I am showing you in the video. After this, take a damp beauty blender, spray the setting spray and blend everything in place. This will make your concealer and your foundation be transfer proof, definitely give you a flawless airbrush look. Is great for everyday makeup and even if you are going for parties and occasions where you need your makeup to be staying for at least 5-6 hours. You can see the finish is so flawless. After that I'm gonna use a contour. You can even use a cream based contour, but I'm gonna use the powder contour. Using a precise brush I'm gonna apply the contour. You can see a defined cheekbones. Also will be using the contour on my forehead and jawline. If you have a problem of double chin like me, then definitely use an extra contour on your jawline. I will also contour the nose using a small round precise brush. Over this I'm going to use a translucent powder. But before setting the eye area, I'm going to use the damp makeup sponge, blend everything in place and then use the translucent powder. Let the translucent powder stay on your eyes for at least 1 minute and then dust off any excess. Today's eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Nykaa 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette Sundown Stunner. First of all, taking the brown eyeshadow and I will be creating the transition color. Slowly and gradually blend the color. There's no need to hurry up. For transition color, always use back and forth method to deposit less quantity of eyeshadow and blend it seamlessly. After that, I'm going to use a plum shade of eyeshadow and blend it only on the outer V and also be deepening the crease line with the same. always hold your eye brushes from a little farther away. This will make the pressure less on your eyes and also give you a flawless blended eyeshadow. Over this, I'm gonna use the Sugar Black Magic Kohl and apply it a little by little, and then use a small round precise brush to blend it. Black is a definitely tricky color, so use little by little, blend it every time you use the kohl, and you will see a beautiful eyeshadow coming. I'm not gonna use the black color till the crease area, and after that use any mascara you have. I have the Sugar Cosmetics Lash Mob Limitless Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara, you don't need to apply any falsies. For the blush, I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetics Coral Climax. This is a beautiful shade of blush that can be perfect for any occasion and also looks good on every Indian skin tone. Use a little on the chin and also on the nose. After that, I'm gonna use the Lakme Iconic Kohl. This is the kajal I'm using on the lower lash line, and after applying this, we are gonna blend it using a small precise round brush. After this, I'm taking a rustic brown shade from the same palette and applying it underneath the kohl, blending it really well with the kajal I've already applied. Using the Sugar Cosmetics Gold Glory Highlighter, I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of the lower lash line, which I have left before, and also be highlighting the inner corners with the same. Dust off any extra translucent powder from your face. For highlighting, I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Baked Highlighter. This is a beautiful golden bronze highlighter that's definitely give you a glow from within. Use the highlighter on the highest points of your face, and don't forget to highlight the brow bone area. Use a precise brush to do the same. After that, I'm gonna brush my brows through with the spoolie and use the Blue Heaven True Brow Definer to fill in them. After filling in the brows, definitely use the spoolie again and brush your brows so that the product is distributed evenly. This is the brow that's looking so defined. Use any setting spray and spray it from a little distance and let it stay till we apply a lip color. For the lip color, I have two options. I have this Emma Woodhouse from Sugar Cosmetics. I also have the Inside Cosmetics Gloss in the shade Temptation. I think I'm gonna use both of these. I'm first landing with Emma Woodhouse. Over this, I'm gonna use the Inside Cosmetics Temptation. This is giving me a beautiful lip color that I'm definitely loving, and this is the final look. As this is a subtle makeup, I'm gonna pair it with a statement neck piece and earrings. I'm not definitely gonna wear the statement neck piece because it's too bold for me, but this is giving me a total traditional vibe. I hope you love this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post such videos. See you in